Salam alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Teresa and Lokmane. Today we're making turmeric ginger tea. It's really anti-inflammatory, super healthy. It's gonna help you in these cold winter months. And if you're sick like me, then definitely go ahead, stay tuned, and let's make it. Great, so for this recipe, you're going to need fresh ginger root, fresh turmeric root, and some black pepper and water. So it's a very simple recipe. We're basically going to grate our roots, put them in boiling water, steep them for a little bit, and then we'll have a really delicious tea. So go ahead and grab about 1 inch, 2 inches of turmeric, and a nice big chunk, about 1 inch of ginger, and let's get to grating. So if you have organic turmeric root, then you don't have to take off the skin. This I don't think is organic, so I'm taking off the skin. And beware, this will stain. So we've peeled our roots, turmeric root and ginger root. I like to grate them right into your pot or your pan. So I'll take my grater and I'll begin grating. So always your ginger starts fraying like this. Just go ahead, throw that whole piece right in. So you can try to do the turmeric on here like I did. However, the slots are really big. If you do it on this side, it's just more difficult to get it out. So it's your choice. I'm gonna use some water and try to get the turmeric out of here so we get it in our bowl. So I filled up my pot with about 4 cups of water and we'll bring it to a boil. Once it's almost to a boil, you can go ahead and add just a dash of libzar, of black pepper. That's maybe a little bit more than I intended, but just a little bit of pepper goes a long way. Great, when your tea is finished, remember there's many different ways you can drink it. So you can add a little coconut oil to make this more like an Ayurvedic drink. You can add some coconut milk, you can add almond milk. Today we're gonna add a little bit of almond milk. But when you add a fat like this, you really help to absorb all the benefits of curcumin. And also, drinking your curcumin with black pepper, hot, and a fat, these are the 3 ways that you're gonna maximize your absorption of this superfood, curcumin, turmeric. Great, once it starts to boil like this, we'll just turn down the stove to a very low simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our tea is finished. If you see, it's a really deep, dark color. It's really nice. So we're going to strain this out into a bowl. Now we have our tea, our finished tea, just like this. Now you can drink it like this. It'll be herbal, it'll be delicious. But if you want to maximize your benefits and make it a little bit more tasty, then I'll show you how. So go ahead and take your glass, pour about half full of your tea. See, it's this really nice burnt orange color. And then take about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of honey, depending how sweet you would like it. And from here, mix in homemade almond milk or any nut milk that you have. If you have coconut milk, we want something that's a little bit fatty to help us absorb this curcumin. We have our half tea, half milk, a little bit of honey. This is very similar to a golden milk Ayurvedic latte that we find a lot of recipes of. This is just our take on it. Anti-inflammatory, really healthy. It's gonna help fight a lot of sickness, so bishaw raha, in good health. And don't forget, we have our Moroccan recipe ebook in the description below. We've just released this, so if you want to give us some support, we greatly appreciate your purchase. Share it with a friend. If you want to learn how to cook some Moroccan food, it's below. And don't forget, as always, to subscribe to our channel, like the video below. We are on Instagram, we're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, all the social media. So as always, shukran bzaf, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Marakhara. Bislama.